Dear students, I am Shaukat Ahmad Bhatt, teacher of the Higher Secondary School, Yunsu. This is class 12th, subject mathematics. Our today's topic is scalar product or dot product of vectors. There are two ways by which we can find the product of the vectors. There are two ways we can find by which we can find the product of vectors. एक को कहते हैं स्केलर प्रोडक्ट, दूसरे को कहते हैं क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट या वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट. In this lecture we will be discussing scalar product या dot product. स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इसको इसलिए कहा जाता है जब भी हम ये प्रोडक्ट निकालते हैं तो रिजल्ट जो होता है दैट विल बी अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी और रियल नंबर. डॉट हम इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इसमें डॉट इस्तेमाल होता है. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में क्रॉस इस्तेमाल होता है, क्रॉस डॉट प्रोडक्ट में डॉट इस्तेमाल होता है. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट. डेफिनेशन है लेट ए एंड बी बी द टू वेक्टर्स. एक वेक्टर लेंगे हम ए वेक्टर, दूसरा वेक्टर लेंगे हम बी वेक्टर. If theta is the angle between the two vectors, then let A and B be the two vectors and theta is the angle between these two vectors, then the dot product or the scalar product of these two vectors is defined as A vector dot B vector. We write it the dot product as this: A vector dot B vector, which is equal to magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta, where theta is the angle between these two vectors A and B. This is the definition of the scalar product or dot product of the vectors. If let's cite an example. If the two vectors are, say, A vector ये है, B vector ये है, if the angle between these two vectors is 45 degrees and it is given that ये दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में if magnitude of A is equal to square root of 2, magnitude of B is equal to square root of 3, then A dot B vector, ये जो A dot B vector है, this is by definition equal to mod A mod B cos theta, which is equal to mod A given है √2, mod B है √3 into cos theta के बदले है 45, which is equal to square root 2 into square root 3 into cos 45 के बदले हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by √2. √2 and √2 will cancel out, which is equal to √3 units. Yani we here found the dot product of the two vectors A and B whose magnitude is square root 2 and the magnitude of B is square root of 3. Now let's take the coordinate axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. ये x-axis है, y-axis है and z-axis. Along x-axis we take the unit vector I, along y-axis we take the unit vector j, along z-axis we take the unit vector k. We know I, j and k, they are the unit vectors and they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Means the angle between I and j and k, they are all 90. Let's find now I, the dot product of I and j. I dot j. I dot j by definition magnitude of I magnitude of j cos of the angle between the two, which is equal to 90, which is equal to magnitude of I is equal to 1, magnitude of j is equal to 1, cos 90 is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. So you have to remember I dot j is always equal to 0. Similarly, अगर हम j का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे k के साथ, j का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे k के साथ, that is equal to 0. k का प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे I के साथ, that is equal to 0. You have to remember, if you find the dot product of I with j या j with k or k with I, that is always equal to 0. Now we find the dot product of I with I. Here now we find I with I, which is equal to, by definition, magnitude of I cos of the angle between I and I. Since I and I are collinear vectors and the angle between them will be equal to 0. Magnitude of I is equal to 1 because I is a unit vector. Magnitude of I is equal to 1 because I is a unit vector, and cos 0 is equal to 1, which is equal to 1. Means you have to remember that I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, J dot J is equal to 1 and K dot K is equal to 1. Thus, you have to remember that I dot J is equal to 0, J dot K is equal to 0, K dot I is equal to 0, and I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1, K dot K is equal to 1. Now let's take simply a vector A and B, and we will try to find the scalar product of the vectors. Let's take here, let A vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k, and B vector is equal to 3i minus j plus 2k vector, and we will find A dot B. Now A vector dot B vector, A vector के बदले है I plus 2j minus 3k dot B के बदले है 3i minus j plus 2k vector, which is equal to, first we will find the product of I with this vector, then 2j with this vector, then minus 3k with this vector. I dot 3i minus j vector plus 2k vector plus 2j vector का प्रोडक्ट हमें इससे निकालना है 3i माइनस j प्लस 2k, फिर माइनस 3k इंटू 3i माइनस j प्लस 2k vector, which is equal to I dot 3i. I dot I हुआ 1, 3 means 3 into 1 minus I dot j, which is equal to 0, plus 2 I dot k, which is equal to 0, plus 2 3s are 6, j dot I, which is equal to 0, minus 2 j dot j, which is equal to 1, plus 2 2s are 4, j dot k, which is equal to 0, minus 3 into 3 means 9, k dot I is equal to 0, minus minus plus 3, k dot j is equal to 0, plus minus 3 2s are 6, k dot k is equal to 1. Here you used these things. I dot j is equal to 0, j dot k is equal to 0, k dot I is equal to 0, and I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. 3 1s are 3, 0 as 0 as 0, minus 2 1s are 2, minus 6 1s are 6, means 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 8, that was minus 5 units. हमने